Member of Parliament for Central Westmoreland, Dwayne Vaz, is this evening appealing to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, to begin the process of alleviating a garbage pile-up problem which has been affecting residents in his constituency. Residents have complained that there has been no collection for at least the last 3 weeks. The NSWMA head has responded. It's a messy situation, said to be affecting at least 5 communities in Westmoreland. A problem which residents say has been affecting them for at least 1 month.
Because the truck don't come for a good time now. The amount to pack up the people have to burn it. Because it just smell and everything.
MP for Central Westmoreland, Dwayne Vaz, is concerned. He told TVJ News that he has been receiving calls from residents daily wanting to know what is happening because of the pile-up of garbage. Mr. Vaz says he has done his investigation.
We have found out from contractors themselves that contractors have been pulling their trucks off duty. So the issue is that the National Solid Waste Agency does not have enough trucks to carry out the duties of collecting garbage. And the information we're picking up on the ground is that the reason for this is that contractors have been pulling their trucks off the road because of non-payment or delays in payment. So there's a lack of payment on the part of the contractors from the National Solid Waste Agency that is causing this pile up of garbage.
But head of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, Audley Gordon, has dismissed the MP's claim that the garbage pile-up is due to the contractors not being paid. He explained that the authority has been having issues with the collection in Central Westmoreland because the compactors have been down for the last 4 weeks. He explained, however, that tippers and government trucks have been deployed to the communities to assist in the garbage collection. Mr. Gordon has appealed to residents for patience as the authority works to get the situation under control.
In the worst case, we are running just over a week behind, so that you will see garbage, but it's not anywhere near the 5 weeks that people are reported. It is about a week and a half. And in most cases, we have started cleaning the area already, beginning yesterday.
He has given the assurance that by the end of the week, all the affected communities will be cleared of the backlog of garbage.